No, Shiba Inu is not dead. That's the question I get every single day. People asking me, hey, should I sell my SHIB position? Hey, should I do this? Transfer my SHIB to another coin? Let me know. It is not dead. If you're new here, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about SHIB and the reasons why I don't think it's dead and the reasons why I think this will prevail as one of the biggest coins in the next few years. Now, if you're new, like I said, subscribe, leave a like, follow my Instagram to be entered into my $1,500 giveaway. Right now we're in Miami and I'll be doing my giveaway in the next few days, so you might as well subscribe. But and also check out my paid Discord down below. Basically, I called out SHIB, I called out Hawk, I called out Zoot, I called out Kava, I called out all these coins before anybody else in the chat. So if you guys want to take crypto serious and you want to take it to the next level, it's cheap now. It will be raised in about 3 days again, because I keep raising the price because too many people are getting in. So we have like 600-700 members in there right now, and you will not regret it. So join up. Like I said, it's linked at the top of the description, and let's get into this video. So like I said, yeah, everybody keeps asking me, is SHIB dead? Is SHIB this? Is SHIB that? Short answer, no, SHIB is not dead at all. And there are reasons that make me believe that this is going to come out on top. You guys got to realize Shiba Swap is still not out yet. Shiba Swap is one of the biggest things that SHIB has going for it because it's so hyped up right now. They got Bone, they got Leash, you can do all that stuff on there, and it's still not released, which is what's crazy. It's been delayed so many times. So I do believe once that is released that we're going to see a major spike in price, which is why I'm still holding my position. There's other reasons why, but I think that SHIB will be one of the biggest tokens to ever grace this planet with the dog coins. I think this is going to be the one. I think this is the biggest one. Could be even bigger than Doge someday. You never know. Could it take over the biggest meme already? Who knows? But I do believe that with the release of Shiba Swap, as the devs did say, they did come out and say that they're working on the pre-release right now, and that is still going to come out. So we will see Shiba Swap. It's not canceled. It's just being delayed over and over and over again. And guys, quote this video: whenever this happens, we're going to see a huge spike in price. I believe it. It's one of the biggest hype things behind this coin, and I think we're going to go crazy. I think we're actually going to go crazy. So please stop asking me, because I get DMs every single day, because I was one of the first people talking about SHIB. Not the first people, but one of the people that are, was pushing it in the beginning. I made a lot of videos on it, and a lot of you probably found me off this channel. No, I have not sold my SHIB position. I'm still in it. I still think it's a great coin. I still think in the long run this could be something big, and I'm really excited for the future. So if you guys love SHIB and you want me to talk about any other coins that have a big following that are worth talking about in the video, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what type of videos you want to see. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and follow my Instagram to be entered into that $1,500 giveaway. I might up it. Shoot, fuck, $2,000 giveaway. The one or either a few lucky people. So do that. You get double entries if you check out my Discord down below. Like I said in the beginning, it literally is just if you want to take crypto serious and you want to take it to the next level and double your money. We do that every single day. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, check it out at the top link in the description. And yeah, without that said, I'm about to head on the next flight and we're going to Washington, baby. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.